Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Chrome on your Windows computer or laptop. Installing Chrome is actually very easy. So let's get started. First of all, just open your existing web browser, be it Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or even Windows Explorer. Now, just search for download Chrome. There we go. Click on the first link by Google and click on the download Chrome button. Setup will soon get downloaded onto your system. Click on the open file. I am entering my administrative password because I have said so. In your case, it will directly open the installer wizard. Let's wait for the download to begin and to complete. Once the download is completed, it will install this application onto your system. There we go. We have successfully downloaded and installed Google Chrome. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such tech videos. Thank you.